at this, guys. Just driving down this street here, and we got this beautiful snapping turtle. Oh, look at that guy. Huge. Alrighty, friends and fishing family. Today we are out here. We're gonna drive about an hour and 10 minutes to go back to our old local spot. Probably one of the last videos we're gonna do over here for a while. But I just got out of work, 8-hour shift. It's about 2:30, 2:47, 2:50 right now. So we'll actually not even be in the city until about 4 p.m. But we're gonna head in and we're gonna fish till it gets dark and see what we can do. Temperatures are in the high 40s, low 50s. We are gonna go and do what we can do where we know how to do it, and that is the North Branch, Chicago River, Chicago, Illinois. Stay tuned for some epic action. And we're just, you know, letting everybody do their thing, bob and weave, but we were headed down, and we are trying to be as safe as we possibly can to get down there and catch some largemouth bass. We're here, Chicago River. We're gonna catch some fish, 100%, and see what happens. Chicago River, Chicago, Illinois. We got some guys here waiting on the west side. We're gonna be in the middle. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. One of the true benefits about fishing in the river here is that it's so much lower elevation because most of it's man-made. Most windiest and brutal days, you can come down to the Chicago River and catch fish. It's a pretty remarkable spot. Beautiful. Oh, there's one. Right in front, right? It was like I was standing where he was sitting.
That's where he was catching on the other side.
Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. First fish of the day. Chicago River, Chicago, Illinois, using a little jerk bait. Ooh, gotta be careful, guys. You do not want any holes in your fingers. Hold that fish tight. That was on the pause. Very lethargic bite, to be honest with you. But beautiful fish. Going in for the release. Chicago River local here, Garcia. Look at that, beautiful swim bait bass. Chicago River, Chicago, Illinois. This guy's been fishing the river since I was a little guy. He's always been here. This is a true local right here, guys. Okay. Beautiful bass.
Release.
Yes. Good job, man. That was a good... There's one, guys. On the pause. This guy slammed it. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful fish right there. Nice and red fins. You could tell this is a male coming in, trying to get his spawn on. What a beautiful fish. Hit on the pause. Another one too? That's a double, huh? So double with me, amigo. Yeah. Look at that, guys. He's got one, I got one. That's how it is, springtime fishing. I'm sure. Jesus Christ. Always have a tool, guys. The majority of the hooks I always get out with my hand, but you always have to be safe. Have some pliers with you, just in case. Another beautiful Chicago River here, guys. Beautiful Chicago River bass, Chicago, Illinois. Doing what we do on the jerkbait. Amazing fish. Going in for the release. All right, guys, so this is the Berkeley hit stick. We already lost the hook just simply by bending it and then using my pliers to get it out of the fish's mouth. So I don't know. I'm not gonna say cheap hooks, but I haven't had that happen on even cheap lures. So, but we're gonna continue with this Berkeley hit stick, jerking it around. Let's go. They just completely kill it. I mean, completely kill it on the pause, guys. completely kill it on the paws. Another beautiful fish. This one's got a cool coloration on him. A little bit of black pigmentation there. There's one. Yeah. They're loving it. I kind of have an idea where they're sitting now, which is helping me catch more fish. Definitely have to be observant while you're out there. Another beautiful Chicago River bass. In between drizzle, I mean, the weather does not know what it's going to do this year. It's raining, it's snowing, it's windy, it's sunny, it's wild. But I think that's number 4 on the Berkeley hit stick. Let's keep it going. Here we are. Hey, you're supposed to slow it down, dumbass. Come on. Garcia with a crappie on the swim bait. Good job, man. Yes, sir.